Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to see if your location is wheelchair friendly on Google Maps website. Open your favorite browser. Go to google.com/maps. Wait for the map to load completely. Locate the search bar at the top left corner of the screen. Type the name or address of the place you are interested in. Press enter. The map will instantly zoom in to your preferred location. A red pin will appear on the map marking the place. In the left sidebar, you can find an info panel where you can find more details about the place. Click on the About tab. Under the Accessibility section, you can check whether the place is wheelchair friendly or not. You can repeat the same steps to check accessibility info for other places. This is how you can check if your location is wheelchair friendly on Google Maps website. Thank you for watching.